Hello guys, what are you doing? Are you okay today? What are you doing? Please explain. Could you explain more about this grave?
We are grave. This is grave by woods.
For what?
Woods grave.
Oh, for wood graves for what?
This is wood graves,
For
and we put fire so it becomes charcoal. And that bamboo should collect the vinegar from the wood. That's all. Thank you.
But I think we easy to buy chemical from shop. Why you use like this? It's very difficult.
We are preparing for our future. That's
Oh,
why.
our future. For your daughter, children.
Yes.
Who is?
So if you have your children,
I don't have children. Who is? Can you explain about this grave?